In today's guide, I am going to show you exactly how to get a brilliant move on chess.com. This is the ultimate goal for many chess players. Seeing those elusive double exclamation marks appear in your game review is one of the most satisfying feelings in digital chess. But how exactly does the engine decide what counts as brilliant? It is not just about making a good move. It is about playing a very specific type of tactical sacrifice that the computer recognizes as high quality. Whether you are a beginner or an intermediate player, understanding the logic behind these moves will help you improve your game and increase your chances of reaching that brilliant status. Stay tuned as we break down the mechanics and the steps you need to follow. If this video helps you improve your game or finally get that double exclamation point, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more chess tips and tutorials. To get started, you first need to actually play a game. You can do this against a human opponent in a rated game or even against one of the many chess bots available on the platform in any time control. Once the match concludes, do not just close the window. To see if you have performed anything special, you must find and click the green game review button. This initiates the engine analysis, which scans every single move you made during the match. The core secret to achieving a brilliant move is finding a sacrifice. You need to look for opportunities where you purposefully hang a piece, meaning you leave it in a position where your opponent can capture it, specifically to gain a massive tactical advantage later on. However, there is a catch. You must stay competitive. The chess.com engine will only award a brilliant move if the sacrifice does not ruin your position. If you sacrifice a queen for no reason and lose the game immediately, that is a blunder, not a brilliant move. The engine looks for moves that are the best move in the position while involving a piece sacrifice that keeps the game equal or winning for you. Finally, you need to check the analysis. Click through your move list and keep an eye out for the bright blue double exclamation icon. This is the official indicator that you have successfully made a brilliant move. If you follow these tactical steps and focus on sound sacrifices, you will be seeing those blue icons in your game reviews more than ever before. If this video helped you understand the chess.com engine better, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Good luck on the board.